Hello, welcome to Devil's World Recipes. Summer is around the corner and so is the hot weather. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a frozen yogurt treat. It's similar to ice cream, but it's a little bit healthier. It has less fat and calories. We will prepare 3 flavors today: pineapple, strawberry, and lime, which this one is my personal favorite. And you can use this technique I'm showing you today to use any kind of fruit that you like. So now, let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need are 3 cups of natural Greek yogurt. This is going to be 3 cups per flavor we make. Half a cup of honey. 3 cups of frozen pineapple. 3 cups of frozen strawberry. 1 lemon peeled and juiced. 5 to 6 limes. 3/4 of a cup of condensed milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1 cup of vanilla wafers. In a blender, we're going to add 3 cups of Greek yogurt, and then we're going to add 2 of the 3 cups of the pineapple. The other cup we're going to reserve for later. Then we're going to add our honey. Since the pineapple is tart, the honey is going to give us that sweetness without adding too much sugar. We're going to start our blender and we're going to let it go for a couple of minutes. After a few minutes, our mixture should be real incorporated, and we're going to add it to a glass container. Then we're going to add the extra cup of pineapple to give it more pineapple taste, and then it will go to the freezer for at least 12 hours. First, we're going to zest our lemon. It's always easier to zest it before we juice it. And we only need about 1 teaspoon of the lemon zest. After we're going to juice our lemon, we're looking for about 1/4 of a cup. Following the same steps, we're going to add our 3 cups of Greek yogurt to the blender, and then we're going to add 2 of the 3 cups of the strawberry. We're going to add the lemon zest, then we're going to add our lemon juice and our vanilla. And we're going to blend them for a few minutes as well. I did notice my frozen strawberries were not as sweet as I was expecting them. So I'm going to try for taste. And it's going to need a little bit more sweetness. So in this case, I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of condensed milk. I'm going to cover it and blend them again for a couple of seconds. This is the base for our strawberry frozen yogurt, and we're going to put it in a glass container as well. Then I'll add the extra cup of the strawberries, and then we're going to put it in the freezer for at least 12 hours. For frozen lime yogurt, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to assess one of our limes. We're looking for about half a teaspoon of lime zest. Then I'm going to cut my limes. Depending on the size of them, it will take a little bit more or less, but we're always looking for a half a cup of lime juice. In my case, it took 5 limes to get the half a cup. Following the same process, we're going to add our Greek yogurt. I'm going to add 3/4 of condensed milk. I'm going to add the lime zest and the lime juice. We're going to blend for a few minutes. Make sure everything is incorporated really well. And this is the base for our frozen lime yogurt. We're going to add it to a glass container. Then I'm going to decorate with some vanilla wafers. They pair real well with the lime flavor. And then I'm going to shave a little bit of them to make like a crumble on the top. And then this will go to the freezer at least for 12 hours. As our treat is sitting in the freezer, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to get notifications when new videos are coming, click on the bell. And if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you give us a like at the end. And now, let's get back to the kitchen. The first one I'm getting out is our pineapple frozen yogurt, and I'm going to serve it in an ice cream cone cup. Next is the turn for our strawberry frozen yogurt. It looks real good, and the same way I'm going to put it in an ice cream cone basket. Last and not least, our lime frozen yogurt. And as simple as that, our frozen yogurt treats are ready. We have the lime, strawberry, and pineapple. So let's try them. Start with pineapple. Wow, not too sweet. You can feel the honey a little bit. Real good. Let's try the strawberry. Really delicious. And the lemon juice just kicks that strawberry taste. And last and not least, let's try the lime. Wow, super refreshing, and with those vanilla wafers, it reminds me like a key lime pie. It's really good, really simple, and you can use your imagination and use whatever fruit you like. Give this recipe a try, and see you next time.